Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your project supports modern sky rendering. Convert or create an HDRP or URP project. Once done, open the package manager and install the high-definition render pipeline package and its samples. Make sure your graphics settings use the HDRP asset. Without this, the advanced sky options won't show. You're doing this now so subsequent steps produce correct visuals, not placeholders, and to enable physically based sky features across scenes. You create a global volume immediately and add the visual environment override to control sky type. Then add the physically based sky override and assign the sunlight as the sky's directional source. Once added, tweak parameters like sun size, atmosphere thickness, scattering, and ground albedo to shape color and contrast. Make sure to adjust exposure and time of day so the sky reads correctly with your lighting. These settings determine how realistic the sky blends with scene illumination. You finalize by updating your lighting settings and baking GI if used. Reflection probes should be refreshed to capture the new sky. If you see a flat color or no sky, check that the global volume is on a layer included in the volume framework and that the HDRP asset's lighting override isn't forcing a simple skybox. As a fallback, assign a skybox material in lighting to ensure something renders, while you debug volume priorities and HDRP profile conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.